up guys, it's me Paris. We're back again with another taste test. Today we'll be trying some more foreign snacks. Today we have the sesame sauce hot pot flavor Lay's from, looks like China. Yeah, China. Then we have these Indian sizzling hot Lay's. Then we have this candy looping glow in the dark strawberry flavored candy glasses. Then we have this totally gross kitty piddle soda. And we have these Chinese Skittles. We're gonna go in order. I picked these up because they're my favorite color, which is rose gold.
Think about the bag size.
It's half air. I can feel it. Now before we do this, my lips must be dry.
How they smell?
Burnt. No, it's weird. It smells like burnt chicken. Like really burnt. Like charred. That's what they look like.
Think about it.
These are disgusting. Ew, they're like beans. It's like lima beans.
1 to 10, what we giving it?
It's a 0. No, can't give it a 0. But 1.
So the rating for the hot pot chips are
It's a 1.
1 out of 10.
Like my Hawksworth Blood Center bottle opener, and we're gonna be trying the totally gross.
All the way. There you go.
Oh, let me change the label 3. It's
What's the flavor? What does it taste like?
pineapple orange.
Is it fizzy? You like it? What do you give it? 1 to 10.
10 out of 10. Must try again. We have the sizzling hot Lay's from India. Already these, they smell like little rinds. They smell good. They smell like, no, wait, hold on. They got that little chili smell to them. I'm scared. 3. It's swallowable, but it tastes like peppers and like it's nasty.
You don't like them?
It's like a 3.
Give me 1. All right, let me taste it. Not the worst.
These Lay's are a 3 out of 10 because they're better than these, but like they're not good. We have the candy looping glow in the dark strawberry flavored drinking glasses. That little McDonald's toy that they used to have. Now, this is the packaging. What in the world? Ouch. Time. Did I break it? Or was I not supposed to take that off? Wait, what in the world?
The string gotta go behind your head, right?
Oh, you're supposed to hold the thing. Can't put these on.
Like some jelly?
No, it's juice. It's strawberry flavor. I didn't get a taste of it, so.
Well, y'all see those. Don't be buying these.
And if you do, keep the string on.
Liquid candy. Hashtag candy looping. Glow in the dark. That was that. Moving on.
It was nasty.
And see, you gotta let them know.
Oh, it was a 2 out of 10. Chinese Skittles. These are the flavors that they have on the back. Oh, right there. Oh, they're pretty. Wait, there's 5 of them. I'm picking a random one. Skittles.
So as a person who like regular Skittles, what do you give the Chinese Skittles?
10 out of 10.
10 out
Hold
of 10?
on. Why does it taste like an air freshener? It tastes like an incense. It's like an incense. These are good. I'll get these in. The pink one is the best. This is a star fruit because when you cut it, it looks like a star. My first ever time in my 10 years, almost 11 years of living. Tres, dos, uno. You like the skin?
It's like apple.
Hold on. They like green beans.
This the apple flavor.
I'm sorry, I just like it. It's kind of nasty, but like, it's like green beanie. Maybe if we gotta like we can watch a video and like get a ripe one. Like, it isn't sweet at all. Like, I had the drink of it. It was good. Tastes like lima beans and green beans, so I'll give it a 4 because it's not as bad as the chips. So today I tried a lot of foreign snacks and like I rate the whole entire taste test a 7 because it was half good, half bad. This and the Skittles were the best things. They were a 10 out of 10. And I'll see y'all guys on the next one. So bye.